guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pragya aka Glam by Pragya. So in today's video, as you have seen the title, I will be talking about the Numbers in Number 5 serum. Now the reason why I wanted to do a dedicated video for this Numbers in Number 5 serum, because I really wanted to know that whether the effectiveness of this serum is actually worth it or it is just a stupid hype, because there are many expensive skincare products that is just a feel good factor for your skin. It doesn't actually do the exact thing that it claims to do. It's just kind of makes your skin feel good for the momentary time, and then after that your skin is just back to normal. So I really wanted to see whether this product works or not, because numbers in serums are very expensive. They comes around at 2250 rupees, but you can get a discount in Macroon, and also like all of their products are pretty expensive. So I really wanted to see that whether this particular serum actually performs or not. And you can see that I have almost finished the bottle. This is how much I've finished and this is how much is left, so I know how it works and whatever it is. So yeah, I really wanted to share it with you guys so that you can take a good judgment whether you want to purchase this product or not. Okay, so this is the Numbers in Number 5 serum. It comes in a glass bottle and it says that it is a goodbye blemish serum, and it has this sort of a very light, like very light kind of a yellowish greenish kind of a tint to it, which is because of the ingredients. They don't have any added colors. First thing that I wanted to say, frosted glass packaging, and with this kind of pump, this feels very luxe and heavy on hand, and just it kind of gives a very aesthetic vibe to your skincare collection. I really like this packaging. It feels very bougie and very nice. Now coming to the first thing that I would like to say is that it is actually a gel based serum. Okay, and it has a very ever so slightly a very sweet citrusy smell to it on the first go when you pump it out, and you can just, when you're applying on your face, you will smell this very faint citrusy smell. Now the smell is not that strong, it fades away after some time, and I really like it in the morning times. It kind of refreshes my mood. I really appreciate that they have added this sweet smell, which is very nice. Sometimes like applying skincare and there is no smell kind of feels bland, so I really like the smell. I don't mind it. First of all, it comes in a 50 ml of packaging. In Indian market we get a 30 ml of serum, but here we are getting a 50 ml of serum in a bottle. And now this is what it claims: provides blemish care with pure vitamins derived from hypofavraminoids to brighten the skin tone, helps fade dark spots, freckles, marks of hyperpigmentation effectively. It can minimize skin irritation with mild and refreshing gel texture, suitable for daily use. Now it helps to restore and moisture your skin and evens out your skin tone, leaving a radiant looking clean complexion. Okay, so this is what it actually describes in the website. And now coming to the ingredients really quick. First, it has hypofavraminoids extract. So hypofavraminoid fruit extract is basically an extract of the fruit of sea buckthorn. The extract is rich in omega-7 and vitamin A, which makes it effective for anti-aging and providing skin shine, strength, and it is suitable for acne prone skin and eczema. So eczema is basically when you have dry skin with redness all around your face. So those type of skin can also use this particular serum. And the second ingredient they have mentioned is glycerin. It also has niacinamide in the initial first part of the ingredient. And there is turmeric root extract, then there is lemon peel oil, then orange peel oil, lime oil, and then there is some extracts. It also has centella acetica to it, and then rosemary leaf extract, ascorbic acid, then it has 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid, panthenol, allantoin, and hydrolyzed jojoba esters. So if I have to say, it has more of skin brightening ingredients in it. It has like this lime oil, this orange peel oil, and all of these, which kind of makes it very citrusy, and I feel it's more of a brightening serum rather than blemish serum, but we will come to that whether it works on blemishes or not. Also, another thing is that all the numbers in the serums gives a very beautiful healthy glow to your skin, like a glass skin finish. And it's not that like only this serum or that serum gives you that glass like skin. if I have to say, I have tried three of their numbers in best selling serums. One is number 3, number 6, and this is number 5, and they actually give, all of them actually gives a very glass like skin. So now what I have realized is that in the initial days when I started using this particular serum, the first thing that I have noticed, the instant brightening effect. So the whole day I was out in sun, so I got a little bit of tan, a little bit of dullness going on, and then that night I applied this one. The next day morning, what I first thing noticed, skin was looking so brightened up, so rejuvenated, as if all the tan, the dullness just went away. My skin looks so much brighter, and I knew because I really lathered this particular serum very much on my skin. So the night before, the next day, I just, after next 2 or 3 days, I was noticing that skin brightness thing happening, and I would say that brightness is very kind of brief. So the brightening effect that this serum provides is kind of brief. It's not a very long lasting one, so you have to keep using this one to see the brightening effect every day, I would say that way. For constant applying this particular serum, the next thing that I noticed was the oil production of my skin was reducing. My skin was feeling a little bit dry. Okay, it was feeling a little bit drier on my nose area, a little bit on my cheeks, and there was no dry patches. Okay, there was no dry patches, but I was noticing the oil production was very less. Like when I'm sleeping at night with this serum applied, the next day morning when I'm waking up, I'm not seeing that there is a lot of oil production around my T-zone. My skin is looking still better. If you can see here, my skin looks much better. Like I didn't expect it to look this better or this oil free. I mean, but this product does, and I can understand based on the ingredient it has this lime oil, orange peel oil, which is very citrusy, very high on the concentrate. So I can understand why these oils are not coming, because they are really absorbing that oils and making that sebum control and all of that. So I understood that. Now coming to the part where I started noticing on the blemishes. So when you initially apply the serum, your skin is very hydrated, very moisturized, and you will not actually feel that dryness. It will start feeling dry after a couple of usage. After a couple of days, you will start noticing a little bit of dryness on your skin. That's what I'm talking. Instantly you will not feel it, so it's kind of working within, and then you're gonna feel that dryness. But as it is getting dry, it is also drying up your acne, and that's how the vitamin C is working in the serum, to kind of reduce the acne or the appearance of acne, whereas it is also helping with the pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, and dark spots, and also the tan that you are getting every day if you are going out. So it is actually a very interesting way of using vitamin C to kind of combat the hyperpigmentation, combat the tan, and also to work on your blemishes. So now coming to the acne and the blemish part. So now it's not gonna kind of like just get rid of your acne in 1 or 2 or 3 days after using the serum. It's gonna take a sweet time, and then it is gonna work on your acne. As I said, it will dry up your skin, it will help to kind of reduce the swellness and the pain of the acne, and then it's gonna work on removing and getting rid of it. So it is kind of a slow process serum. It is gonna work, but it will take its sweet time. You will not see it in 1 or 2 days. It will take about a week for that acne to go away. So I had small bumps on my skin. It took about more than 4 to 5 days for that acne to kind of disappear from my skin. Before that, the redness went down, the pain went down, and the total appearance of the acne went away after, I would say, 5 to 6 days. So it's gonna take its very sweet time. If you have big cyst or big kind of acne, it's not gonna work. It's gonna like take again a huge amount of time for that. So again, this serum is good for those small blemishes here and there. That is fine. If you have very huge cystic acne or big bumps acne, I'm not sure how well this is gonna work. You can give it a try, but not sure, because I don't have that sort of huge acne. I get small tiny bumps because I have congested pores, and then I do a lot of other skincare products. Do use a lot of other products, a lot of other makeup products, so kind of my skin does get congested. So this serum is good for combating those sort of blemishes. But if you have big cystic acne or big other sort of acne, pus filled acne, it's gonna take a huge time to work on those. I would say more than 1 week it will take for sure. Now I've also talked about this Number number 6 serum, which is the deep sleep mask. It's basically a very beautiful, hydrating and nourishing serum. Again, it's perfect for dry skin people. In summers, I will not say any oily skin girl to use this. Even I don't use it. I use it in my winter months when I'm traveling in hills, and also I use to carry this serum so that my skin is very hydrated in mountains and all. But if I have to be very honest, like, this is not a very summer friendly serum for oily skin girls. But yeah, for dry skin people, this serum can be a beautiful serum. This is good for pigmentation, like uneven skin tone. Okay, it's great for uneven skin tone to kind of even out your skin, make your skin look better, and, like, reduce the redness and all of that. This serum is great for that. But if you have hyperpigmentation, if you have acne marks, brown spots, this one is not gonna work. This one is not gonna be that effective. And if it does work, it's gonna take it's sweet time. It will be like more than 2 to 3 months. Your skin will show up some result for removal of pigmentation and all of that. It's more of evening out your skin tone. Okay, but this serum will surely work on your hyperpigmentation. I have seen myself results with this one, because my skin really looked brighter and my acne marks kind of fade away, like the blemish marks and the brown spots that I had here and there. The pigmentation around my mouth also kind of removed. This is a great option if you're looking out for something for acne marks and pigmentation around your mouth. This would be a very great option. But again, that's the difference I wanted to say. Now you can decide and choose which one to get based on your skin concerns. That's all I have to say, because you don't have to buy all the serums that is available in Numbers, and you just have to find your skin concern and buy the one that your skin actually needs. Then only the product will work on your skin. Okay, so that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos, and do comment if you have any concerns about these Numbers and skincare products or any other concerns. I always stay in contact with you guys through the comment section. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. That will help me a lot. We'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.